is my favorite season of the year. I love the fall colors. I love the little chill and the nip in the air. And what I like about fall are the desserts. So after dinner during fall months, I crave for some like good like Indian dessert or some like good nice delectable like high calorie dessert. So today we are going to make something Indian. We are going to make something with besan, some dry fruits, some edible gum, some ghee of course. You know what I'm talking about? I'm talking about besan laddu. Now besan laddu is a great dessert to eat during the winter and the fall month. With the chill in the air, it kind of warms up your body. Now we, like all my recipes, we are going to put in a healthy twist. Instead of sugar, we are going to use jaggery. Jaggery has a lot of health benefits. It is very high in iron and it's good for you for digestion too. So what we need for this, we need some besan, laddu besan. Now this besan is not the fine besan that we get in the market. You can get it in any Indian store. It's called laddu besan. It's more of a grainy besan. We have some jaggery. This is like just plain jaggery. I like to put some dry fruits because again, it heats up your body, so it's great. And some edible gum, and of course, clarified butter, and a pinch of salt. First, what we are going to do is we are going to put some ghee in our pan or our karhai, and we are going to roast our edible gum. So let's get this started. So I'm going to go ahead and put like 1 teaspoon-ish of clarified butter in there, and we are going to fry or roast our edible gum. I like to put edible gum because again it heats up your body. Again, it's very good for you. So we want to put the heat at the lowest, and we want to fry, roast it or fry it in the ghee, and this is what it should look like. It fries up really fast, and it's going to get from translucent, it's going to get all like opaque. Make sure you keep on stirring it because you don't want to burn this or give it any color. I love the addition of the edible gum in my laddu. It's like seriously, I love that little crunch. Okay, this is all done. We are going to put this in our bowl. Into our karhai, we are going to put in our ghee. Now for 2 cups of besan, you want to put 2 cups of ghee. So I'm going to put in 2 cups of ghee in there. Yes, that's a lot of ghee, but don't worry, you are not going to eat 2 cups of ghee at once. We are going to quickly roast our nuts. Again, you want your heat to be at medium. You don't want the heat to be very high because you don't want to burn your nuts. You don't want to burn your edible gum. The edible gum is also known as gond. It's good for women who are pregnant too. So we are going to take our nuts out. And into that same oil, we are going to add in our besan. We're going to add like a cup of besan in there. Remember, we put 2 cups of ghee, so we are going to put another cup of besan in there. Now this might take a while for you to cook the besan in the ghee. The besan will start getting some color and it will start getting very aromatic. Put another cup in there. And we have to roast the besan in the ghee. Into that we're going to add just a pinch of salt. don't forget to constantly stir this, because you want the besan to roast, but you don't want the besan to burn. So our besan is starting to change color and it's starting to smell really, really nice in here. But we have to roast this for a little more. While this is still roasting, we are going to go ahead and grind some small elaichi or small cardamom. If you already have cardamom powder, that's great. So this is nicely done. You can see it's starting to leave a little bit of the ghee, the clarified butter. Now into that we are going to add a little bit of cardamom powder. We're going to add in our nuts. And our edible gum. You don't want to add all that. That's up to you how much you want to add. I'm just going to add half of that. It smells so good. Okay, this is all done. I am going to put this on a plate. So here's my plate. I am just going to go ahead and put this out. You're just going to spread it out, and we are not going to add the jaggery right now, because once we add the jaggery, the heat is going to make the jaggery release a lot of water, and we don't want that. We want this to cool down a slight bit before we add the jaggery. So now you can see I can touch it, but it's still a little warm. That's when we go ahead and add the jaggery. So for 2 cups of besan or 2 cups of chickpea flour, we're going to add 1 cup of jaggery, because I like it a little sweet, not too sweet. So we're going to mix it up with our hands. Jaggery, the mix of jaggery and ghee is very, very good for your digestion too. And then we are ready to make our laddus. I'm going to take like a you can see how this whole thing comes together. Now yes, you will have to use your hands to do this. You cannot use like a spatula or whatever. You have to use your hands. That's what you want. You're going to make a little ping pong ball size. Press it tightly. Let me show you how to do it. Like maybe if I can zoom it, you'll be able to see. So little size, just like so, as much as you can fit in one palm, and press it really hard. Like as you keep pressing it, it's going to bind itself together. Don't worry about breaking it. You will not break it. It will bind together. See, just like that. Just like that. So I'm going to go ahead and make all these. So it's all done. It is delicious and it's healthy. It's great for your body. Trust me, it's good for you. Ghee is good for you. It's good for like growing kids, and so is all the other nuts and the edible gum. Besan is very high in protein. It's all protein. So, and we are not using sugar. We are using jaggery, which is very high in iron. It's good for your body. So try it out. A healthier version to the most favorite recipe around the world, besan laddu. It's so delicious. Enjoy, make it. Don't forget to leave me a comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Enjoy!